questioning him, did you have any proof as to his health status?
At that material time, no.
Okay.
Buddenze we namubuuliza nali sinaawo bukakafu bukwata kuvuya ku nsonga ya bulamu bwe.
You said in court here that he had a police line to call. Is it in your statement, that line?
No, it is not.
Tekiri mu statement yange nti Okello yalina line ya police gyali akuba.
Did you read his plain statement? Will I be right? It's also not there.
I read through his plain statement.
It is not there. Isn't that true? Apande, we have many other witnesses. Answer. Kindly answer.
It may be true.
So you want court to write it may be not true.
Officer, please answer the question. Does it appear in the plain statement of Mr. Okello, that issue of the police line? It's a simple question.
My Lord.
Are you aware or you are not aware? Please, you want to continue. You may not be aware.
My Lord, for now I may not be so sure whether it is there or not.
Kisekakasa saawa zino oba mu statement ya Okello mwekiri nti yalina line ya police.
Okay, Afande, will I be right to say that a knife or knives are domestic common tools at home?
Yes, you're right.
Oba mutuufu okugamba nti akambe oba obwambe ebintu ebikozesebwa ewaka ebya bulijjo.
And you also confirm that the suspect told you he has or is intending to do agriculture in Noya district?
Yes.
Oba mutuufu ogamba nti Okello yantegeeza nti yali ateekateeka okukola ebyobulimi mu disitulikiti y'e Nyoya.
Afande, do you know the importance of lifting the suspect's fingerprints?
Yes, I do.
Manya obukulu bw'okuggyako avunaanibwa ebyenkumu.
Are you aware that yesterday we were told that was not done?
Lifting the suspect's fingerprints?
Yes.
Counsel, you
From
rephrase
what?
the question.
Huh?
From what?
My Lord, I'm asking him, is he aware that somebody came here yesterday and said the suspect's fingerprints were not lifted?
They are not lifted from what?
To go and examine whether he interacted with the items they are talking about.
Specifically, which item?
My Lord, they recovered many items at the scene of crime,
And specifically?
at his home.
Okay, specifically, which item are you talking about?
My Lord, it could be the dead bodies, the children he cut, the alleged cut, the knives, the clothes. all that they talked about?
My Lord, as far as the exhibits that were recovered at the scene is concerned, all of those exhibits were properly processed. Where lifting fingerprints was needed, it was done. Swabs were taken, and all of those exhibits were submitted to forensics for analysis, including samples from the accused person.
Kubikwatagana ku bizibiti ebyasangibwa mu kifo ewazibwa omusango byonna byagobererwa emitendera egyetaagisa era n'okutwalibwa mu bakugu abeekebejja ebizibiti era n'ebinkumu ebyali byetaagisa byabaggiwaako nga kojjeeko n'okujja kwavunaanibwa.
Afande, in your 5 years of experience plus wisdom, in case the fingerprint